Hello everyone, welcome to the video today. I unlocked the Seeker boost on this account and the hot pot as well, and I'm gonna test out how good the Seeker boost actually is and if it's better to go this way or the troop damage way. And my other account went for troop damage, so can kind of compare how each one does. Yeah, for his opponent of rank 21. Going to hope that one Seeker is enough for this engine room. And then 3 Seekers and 2 Heavy Choppers here. And 2 Seekers for this top engine room. Just gonna tiny sock this flamethrower and doesn't look like the Seekers are going to survive. So flare back down here and just hope it's enough, but I don't think it will be. The Seekers are getting socked too much. So just retreat there. I think it was pretty sloppy attack. I sort of took out both of these buildings with the heavy choppers. And maybe just waited a few seconds to drop the Seekers and it would have been a lot better. And here rank 21. Another 7 engine room Seeker player. And he went for the troop damage as well. I kind of want to use laser ranges here just because this Doom Cannon is very strong. So try something like this. And new kind of attack idea, so I don't know if it'll work, but can try it. See if there's a sock mine behind here. Doesn't look like it. Four Seekers here. Tiny sock these cannons. And use one critter swarm. Clear that Doom Cannon in time is very important. And now fail the Narsons in room and cryo bomb again. Hit a few of my seekers, which was pretty stupid. But still going to be a decent time. And my base has a few more defenses than most seeker players, so I think it might be enough. Yep, 245. And another 9 stars. And another rank 21. Looks like the exact same base, so going to do the same attack. For now, yeah, cryo bomb, tiny sock these 3. Drop this seeker now. Though not taking out the doom cannon as quickly, which is quite annoying. Hopefully it doesn't do too much damage. And now fail the Narsons in room. Didn't get any secrets with the cryo bomb this time, which is nice. But going to be a couple of seconds slower because of that doom cannon. Still 254 should be a good enough time. But we'll see. Yeah, he's using cryo bombardiers. I think he must have used seekers for this in room, but they fitted out. So at least on the 7 engine rooms, this seeker boost is pretty strong. But I'll show you on my other account now how the troop and this is the account with troop damage, hit rank 23. And now it's going to get this gunboat energy. And probably defib, but maybe the seeker boost also. And this account, mostly because it has bullet, is also doing well against 36s and rumps. And 37s and rumps. I'm not sure if it's more so because of the troop damage or just that bullet makes it a lot easier to survive. But either way, it's working pretty well. Most important thing is on bases with the sky shield and sock launcher set up like this, you need seekers on this side for this engine room and this side for the other engine room. If they have to pass through the middle, it probably won't work so well. And this one 311. And this is the 36 engine room basis that the other account kind of struggles on. But it gives you more seekers, so it's easy to take these 2 engine rooms out with just 4 boats and then still have 4 boats follow Buddha. And yeah, rest of the base is pretty easy. This one 306. pretty much the same attack. Just getting the most of the cryo bomb and trying to get Bullet up there early enough. I was a bit late on the flare, so Bullet kind of trailed back, which wasn't great. But on this base, because you could flare Bullet back here, could use all the Seekers here, and passing through the middle isn't so bad. Most of the bases are set up good, so you can't get Bullet to the back. You have to keep him like here, so he doesn't really do anything. But here he just taunts everything. And here 301. And yeah, this is probably one of the best 6-engine layouts. And 3 Seekers this side, 3 Seekers for this side, and 2 here. And on this type of base, you want the Seekers to meet up on the middle engine room. And this is the basis where the troop damage really helps too. So, but it can taunt this Shock Nozzle, but this Shock Nozzle is kind of free reign. And it, like without troop damage, you just don't get through the base. But that's how the attacks on that account are. So it's a good comparison. I think both ways work. And I think so far I would say I prefer the troop damage. But it's hard to say. Both of them are really strong. I do think that Bullet is going to be important soon if you want to keep using Seekers though, no matter what way you go. But that's going to be it for the video today. Thank you all for watching, and bye.